guys, it's Crazy Gaming. We're just gonna do a little vlog and a vlog. A what?
A bike vlog.
A bike vlog.
Yeah, we always like bikes. What? What?
We're just gonna ride our bikes. Oh yeah, Patrick. Come on, put on our shoes.
Maybe we gotta have a race.
No, yeah, well, no, this is going around the corner. It's gonna be about, the vlog's gonna be, the video's gonna be about like 5 minutes long.
Okay.
Aaron, go in the house. No. Or do you wanna go with Mia?
That's some balloons.
Alright.
Okay,
Go.
let's walk and roll.
Aaron, you wanna, no. Aaron, you want a hot dog? Cassie can. You take Aaron in the house. Alright, guys, come on, let's ride our bikes. Or should I do the ghetto GoPro?
Ghetto GoPro.
Not fine. Oh yeah, with that Gorilla Tape, huh?
That's gonna stick on your phone. I'm gonna have to take one more bike ride. Yeah.
Alright.
It might be bumpy, but okay. Hey, Kevin.
Oh, look at my bikes. Look at nuts. Yeah.
Don't jump your phone, it's gonna be really bumpy.
Okay. Wait, dude, you wanna go to the liquor store way? Like that way?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, Jacob. So, we're gonna do train?
Chilling in the way like I said.
Alright. It's come on this way. Oh, get out the street. Nice Mustang. Oh, wrong way. Come on, turn. Wrong way. Come on. I went the wrong way. I could go pretty fast. No hands. But let me get out the street. Get it right one hand now. Yeah, we always take this little bump right here. Oh, what? Hey, Manuel. So it's gonna be about 5 minutes. Close. 3. About 4 minutes. Today yeah, guys, cause I had a modded file on my PS3 for GTA 5 cause I was gonna mod. What? Yeah, I was gonna mod, but then I just said, nah, I don't want to do it. But once I get another PS3, Where?
Not leg?
Where? I want your leg. No, you're good. You're good. Well, yeah, I was gonna mod, so today my friend crashed. He crashed. This is my little brother. Who are you calling, Jose? Hey, Jose?
Not you.
Yes, you are. She's maybe in my video. Who you calling? Ricardo? Who you calling? Okay, well, of course it's not me. Of course it's not me. Who you calling, though?
Jacob.
Hey, Jacob, just put your phone in your backpack and let's go around the corner one more time.
Are you gonna go home?
I don't know.
Nah, don't leave, bro.
We're gonna be back in like 20 25 minutes.
Y'all say that, but
Oh God, bro, they be going for like hours. Like, yes, it is.
No, our phone get a lot of
I
kids.
don't know. I'm gonna probably stay till my mom.
Yeah, just
Probably.
you will stay until your mom comes.
Come
Come on, let's go that way.
Wait, you still recording?
Go where?
We're gonna go to the liquor store.
Yeah.
Come on, you still
Come on.
recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Come on, Jacob. Come on, let's go to the liquor store way.
That's just my mom's phone.
Shut up. Cassidy, if you want to cut. Oh, never mind. Wah! 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 Everybody finna go home? Oh. But, yeah. Well, welcome. Just wait. Some high ass quality. Round. Oh, the ramp. We just call it a ramp. Yeah, I haven't made a video in like weeks. Oh, the rock. Oh yeah, don't fall again. He fell last time. Oh yeah, you almost fell though. If you never put your foot down, you would have ate it, Jacob. Pretty nice neighborhood.